how to disable community messages notification content on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click this icon here, a hub, and then click these three lines, and once you're here click settings and then click notifications, and now click community messages, and here you can disable it or enable it, and I hope that can help you. It's easy. And now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.